Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70k subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, SuperSport 0. I'm joined by the only fan with a PhD. Me.
Stibo, grant me out here.
Yeah, I'm not.
First of all, let me congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns FC for getting a win.
Yes.
And second of all, let me congratulate them again. Horababelin Namo Stadium. Hasimang lemang. No, but on a serious note, I mean, we're talking about the only fan with a PhD of being a fan. I attended games alone. It's such a pleasure and honor.
Yes.
Obviously, I take nothing away. They are the champions of this league. Kifes game yabona. The last game of the league, I was here. Unfortunately, I'm yet to hand some mini certificates to many fans.
Yes.
Who lacks understanding in terms of football and the business of football and in many elements. Yeah, it's on. Stivo, you can never fill up the stadium only one. I was so embarrassed, and I take the embarrassment even though it doesn't come from me.
Yes.
You find fans who are talking about, or what do you want here? And they don't understand. You know, before Sundowns, before it was a Kaizer Chiefs and stuff, this is football. You have to love football for you to understand it. Beyond support, you understand?
Yes.
We still have Moroka Swallows supporters who comes to the stadium because they understand the importance of football. That's why here, and I'm sorry to start this way with the controversy and stuff, that's why you don't find these games being promoted. There's no rivalry between SuperSport United and Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
They are both in the same town. They were supposed to be rivals. The other one is acting as a development for the other team.
Yes.
You understand? There's no level of rivalry. That's why when they see you in the stadium, they're like, why are you coming here? You support Kaizer Chiefs or you support Pirates. By so doing, you are killing your own football. You are killing your own derby. There's no derby. There's no rivalry. Kaizer Chiefs supporters, you find that you are married to a Chiefs supporter and you're a Pirates fan, but there's rivalry even from home.
Yes.
You understand? You saw it was a Kaizer Chiefs just won yesterday.
Yeah.
You would swear that they'd won the Champions League.
Yes.
The level of noise and everything. Even God himself has decided, and this I saw in a vision.
Yes.
God showed me that he's not answering anyone's prayers, especially if you're calling from a code of Kaizer Chiefs. He has put them on mute. The level of noise that has been encountering as God, he just decided, you know what, let me just put anything that is with Kaizer Chiefs on mute, because these guys are making the loudest noise. But we are happy. Football is selling here on earth. We are happy that we are enjoying and everything. But let me tell you something very crucial again.
Sure.
Mamelodi Sundowns needs to be grateful to Jose Rivero, to Orlando Pirates, because we had not only benched, but we made sure that we expel Gavin Hunt. He was not here.
Yes.
They didn't have a coach, and he was expelled by Jose Rivero, the chef himself.
How was he expelled?
You remember he was red carded after he was watching because
Gavin Hunt
Gavin Hunt was complaining to the officials to say, how can Orlando Pirates be playing Spanish football in South Africa? Yes. And then there was that dispute and stuff. But just to cut it short and stuff, because we didn't have much here, let me congratulate Manqoba Mngqithi. He's trying to bring the new style of play.
Yes.
He's trying to be quick. In fact, what I've realized again, another key element.
Yeah.
Manqoba Mngqithi was robbed by the diamond, their goalkeeper. Ronwen Williams was not here in the previous game.
Yes.
I think it was the difference about Polokwane City.
Yes.
Because he wanted to start play from the back, but the goalkeepers that were there before, they were not good on the legs.
Yes.
So Ronwen Williams was quick, but the difference is he was starting play from the back. Marina, he's more quicker than the previous keepers. I think that was just unfortunate for Manqoba Mngqithi. You understand?
Yes.
So I think today they were playing more from the back, but they couldn't break Habakala because they were trying Mabue a link between Kotsi and Lilibusa.
Yes.
That link, this guy. Kotsi, I mean Kekana le Musa were playing more on the back, but Kotsi was being that link, connected in the middle field and stuff, and maybe he could take those long balls and stuff. So, but Mabuya was connecting more. So obviously this guy, Nachistem Riri, their most expensive player, Alende. Yeah, Chistem Riri. I don't know what he's trying to be, but anyway. Yes. So obviously the boy was good. Unfortunately, SuperSport was trying to attack them. Oh, Nebatalaba attacker from the back. Katri defenders. I mean Katri attackers. Ka Pule. Le Zukamanjo, le the other guy, Akon or something, that young boy. So they were trying with Papa pressure from the back, Papa deny play. I mean, the whole of 90 minutes or 45 minutes, the first 45 minutes, Sundowns couldn't really break. And then it denied Shaluli, the Stellenbosch boy, Oshapangba to come about all. Him deny opportunity, opportunity, Reinas, Batale Hunter and stuff. So, but coming from the second half, because that's when you could see Huri, SuperSport United, they had really mastered the fact that Sundowns is Kahona. And then they allowed Sundowns to go to the dressing room and correct that.
Yes.
And for the first time, I saw Mngqithi and his technical team being humble enough to realize we need the Mshishi.
Yes.
We need a Tembinko Siloch.
Yes.
We need Matthews.
Yes.
You understand? Just to change the whole dimension. And I mean, Mshishi, every time he grazes this pitch, something changes. It's like Okara Hantantlingaka high, Ilya Kenya something. Even before he just touched the ball once.
Go.
Yes. And then Sundowns, those touches, Sundowns, you could see for the first time, it was not 4-4-2, the Shushan and Piano, they could link, but link, and within maybe a minute or two, Ribeiro was able to play because everything, like my brother said, it was put upon his shoulders. You understand? So because I'm trying to be quick and get the nakesa the way get pay 10 fish because get by quick. So again, what I'm trying to say, SuperSport just came here for a draw. You understand? And unfortunately for them, or fortunately, Babatoti a loss. You understand? But all in all, let me say congratulations to Mngqithi. I did say hurry. Because I don't want to say people who are jealous and stuff. I see them, they are still rusty.
Sundowns?
Yes, they're still rusty, but they've played well. And it's good for any team to collect maximum point even when you're not playing well.
Yes.
Because sometimes you just need those games that you're not playing well in order for you to win. Because by the time maybe you link and gel with the whole team, when you can win convincingly. Because remember, you can play convincingly and not win.
Yes.
So at least now they are getting maximum points without really playing very well. For me, they didn't play very well, and I'm judging them according to their standard. I told you, Stibo Karwata, sometimes you can come with the very same girlfriend, she doesn't look good. And then someone comes with the very same girlfriend that says she's looking good. You know why? You compare a standard, or you compare Sundowns. According to Sundowns standard, this is poor football. You understand? But because they've got to win, remember how much I win. It's difficult for you to tell something I ain't get serious. But at least they've got to win, and we congratulate them. It's good for football. And I'm happy for my noisy neighbors. They got to win. They are so... In fact, I now believe with faith is the substance of things hoped for, that will definitely happen. Kaizer Chiefs believes, and the level of belief, I mean, Kaizer Chiefs is teaching us football in terms of belief, in terms of making noise and advertising football.
Yes.
Remember, in football, I've just seen nothing is impossible. I mean, Mama Joy just got married to a white person. That alone. No, congratulations to Mama Joy. Congratulations to Mama Joy. Namkensisa, my sister. France. And we are talking about a white person who's not broke. We understand a white person who's able to fly to take a flight up at tikiti at Africa. We understand that French guy, he's our brother-in-law, and we congratulate him. And we congratulate. He's so blessed. Remufile cheap. Remufile aluminium. Yes, you are so blessed. No, let me explain to you. This is just an example to show Rona as Africans, we undermine ourselves to an extent that we think has to be light in complexion. And our brother-in-law, listen to what I'm saying. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. It's just an opinion. Mama Joy and our brother-in-law has just showed us Rona, we undermine ourselves. I always say, even, and I put this to football and say, we think playing European football makes us feel better. And Mama Joy has just proven to us, like, I'm a very handsome guy. But every time someone says I'm handsome, people will have to question my color. To show beauty in a color. Okana change a color or yetsa jwang le jwang. How lo mo bo mobi. Le lo motho o ka ba motho o jwang ha lo mo bo mobi. And o ka ba dark jwang ha lo motho o motle. O tshwana le rona ke fela ratu bua ka. That's why I avoid that hlapa because anga hlapa ke tlo ba motao. But anyway, let's talk about football. Congratulations. Man of the match ya ka ke tla ifa Ricardo Gos.
Thank you.